Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share something that has genuinely excited me. As someone who's been in the digital marketing and online business space for a while, I've seen all kinds of tools and resources. Some promise the moon but deliver little, while others are absolute gems that can transform your business. Well, I recently came across something that I think falls into the latter category. The WordPress Master Kit with Unrestricted PLR. Now, if you've ever tried to launch a product, you know the grind. It's not just about having a good idea. You need time, effort, and a decent chunk of cash to bring that idea to life. Researching the market, creating content, recording videos, editing them, and making everything look professional. It's a lot. And let's not even get started on the marketing side of things. That's why when I learned about this WordPress Master Kit, I knew I had to check it out and share my thoughts with you. This isn't your typical training course. It's a done-for-you product, ready to go out of the box. It's built around WordPress, which, let's face it, powers over 43% of the internet. Whether you're a blogger, a freelancer, or a business owner, WordPress is often the go-to platform. But here's the thing. Not everyone knows how to use it effectively. That's where this kit comes in. It's a comprehensive training program designed to help anyone from beginners to intermediate users master WordPress, and it's packaged in a way that makes it incredibly easy to brand and sell as your own. The kit includes 4 separate courses, covering everything from getting started with WordPress to setting it up and understanding its basics. Altogether, there are 19 professionally crafted video lessons. These aren't just random, low-quality videos thrown together. They're well-structured, engaging, and packed with value. As someone who's created courses before, I can tell you the amount of work that must have gone into producing this content is impressive. What really caught my attention is the unrestricted PLR license that comes with this package. For those of you who might be new to PLR, it stands for Private Label Rights. Essentially, it means you're not just buying a course, you're buying the rights to rebrand it, resell it, and even repurpose it however you like. Want to turn the content into an ebook? Go for it. Thinking about bundling it into a membership site? No problem. You can even break it down into smaller courses and sell them individually. The flexibility is insane. Let's talk about who this is for. If you're a PLR marketer, this is gold. You're getting a high-quality, in-demand product that's ready to go. No content creation, no hiring designers, no endless hours in front of your laptop. Just download it, put your name on it, and start selling. If you're a course creator, this is an excellent shortcut. You can brand it as your own and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or anywhere else you prefer. For coaches and trainers, it's a great way to add a professional WordPress training program to your portfolio without having to build it yourself. And if you run an educational website, offering this as a premium course under your brand can be a great way to grow your business. The best part? WordPress isn't going anywhere. The demand for WordPress training is evergreen, which means this product isn't just a one-time opportunity. It's something you can sell and profit from over and over again. Now, there is a bit of urgency here. This offer isn't going to be around forever, and given the value packed into this kit, I wouldn't be surprised if it snapped up quickly. So, if you've been looking for a way to fast-track your online business or add a new revenue stream, this might just be what you've been waiting for. For me, the WordPress Master Kit is a no-brainer. It eliminates the stress and cost of product creation while giving you a high-quality, in-demand course that's ready to go. If you've been on the fence about launching your own product or diving into the PLR world, this is your chance to start with something truly solid. All right, that's it from me for today. I hope you found this review helpful, and if you're as excited about the WordPress Master Kit as I am, definitely check it out. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts, or if you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.